earthquakes, we had this thing called liquefaction, where the ground liquefied, turned to liquid. And you can imagine some of the tall, heavy buildings in the city, they sunk down into the ground, and then they started leaning over. And there's not much you can do about that. You can't jack them up and stick a block of wood under them. So they all have to be demolished. And a classic example of that is straight ahead of us on the right here, the police building. That's still to be demolished. It's leaning, not this way, fortunately, it's leaning the other way, and that has to be demolished. So we're making sure with our new buildings now in the city that the foundations go way down into the ground, so we don't have that same problem.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And to feel the way that every child should sit and listen, sit and listen. Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me, no one knew me. Hello teacher, tell me what's my lesson. Look right through me, look right through me. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Enlarging your world. Mad world.
All of the new buildings are either going to be steel framed or laminated timber framework. Stands up well in earthquakes. And lots of glass, which you might think is a bit strange for an earthquake-prone city, but as you saw, the art gallery stood up well to it. And a special glass, usually made overseas for each particular building, costing between $1,500 and $3,000 a square metre, so it's not cheap, but it does work well in an earthquake. Glass, it's the right glass, it's quite flexible.